A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our e-learning classes conducted by Modern Educational Group. I am Nilambar Karmukar, your SST teacher from Bihar Sahib branch. Today I am going to discuss about civics class 7 lesson 5. Women change the world. So now start the lesson. Dear students, I am going through the summary of this lesson. Dear students, basically in this chapter, we will learn about how women struggle for equality and try to understand how some occupations are seen to be more suitable for women. So let's discuss the first topic of this lesson. The first topic is fewer opportunities and rigid expectations. People think that men and women are meant due to specific works. It means our society differentiate some works for the men and women. What men can do, the women cannot do. And what women can do, the men cannot do. Many people believed in these stereotypes. Stereotypes means any type of the thinking to anybody without any proof. Many girls do not get the same support that boys do to study and train to become doctors and engineers. Our society does not provide such type of the supports to the woman like a man or boy in the sphere of education as well as in the sphere of service. Learning for change. What is the importance of learning? To change our society, to change the mentality of the people of our society. Today, it is difficult for us to imagine that school and learning could be seen as not appropriate for some children. It means today we can't imagine that the school is a particular place for some students. But in the past, the skill of reading and writing was known to only a few. In the earlier time, there was lots of the restriction for the women, for the girls in the school to take education. There were restriction, and that's why only a few students were provided the chance to go to school. In the 19th century, many new ideas about education and learning emerged. Through this idea, lots of the girls and women is given the opportunity to go to the school and take the education properly. Now I'm going to discuss about the schooling and education today. What is the conditions, the schooling and education which is continue today. Today both boys and girls attend school in large numbers. There still remain differences between the education of boys and girls. It means lots of the guardian who send their children to the school, there are no any differences on the basis of the sex. It means girls or boys. According to 1961 census, about 40% of all boys and men were literate compared to just 15% of all girls and women. But in 2011, these figures have grown to 82% for boys and men and 65% for girls and women. So, the educational opportunity for the women or girls is improved today. The percentage of the male group is still higher than the female group. Even though the male group is higher than the female group. Women's movement. Women and girls now have the right to study and go to school. Today's we see that women and girls is provided the opportunity to get the education. Women individually and collectively have struggled to bring about these changes. This struggle is known as the women's movement. Many men support the women's movement as well. It means to get the opportunity in the society, the women are continued their fight against the thinking, against the stereotypes, against the discrimination in the society. This struggle is known as the women's movement. Campaigning. Campaigning is the important part to continue the women's movement. To fulfill the women's movement, campaigning is must be added with this. Dear students, street plays, songs, and public meetings are very important way to success the women's movement. When violation is done against women, then the women's movement raises the issue or its voice. Not only one complaint or issues is introduced in one women's movement. It is also about showing solidarity with other women and causes. Whatever the problem or difficulties is occurred in front of women, then women's movement raises all the issues, all the problem all over the country. So it is showing solidarity with other women and other issues related to women. So thank you, dear students. The lesson is completed. If you have any doubt or any problem, inform me. Okay? Have a nice day.